Today we're going to discuss how to use Calculated Clean, the cleaning bidding app. First, select Calculated Clean on your mobile device. Once the app has loaded, you want to select the center icon which shows a calculator. Select Commercial. Once on the commercial calculator, you want to start by entering your prospect's information. For today's example, we're going to use Jim's Gym. Once you have the information entered, you want to start by identifying the total amount of square footage in the carpeted area. Once you have that, you want to enter your PR, production rate, which basically stands for the total amount of square footage you can clean in 1 hour. Calculated Clean will then provide you with an estimated time that it'll take you to clean that carpeted area. Next, you want to enter the square footage for the hard floor area, followed by the PR, production rate for the hard floor area. Enter the total amount of urinals and toilets, and then Calculated Clean will give you a time that it'll take you to clean them. Next, you want to enter your desired hourly rate for this job, followed by the frequency, how many times per week you'll be cleaning this account. And lastly, Calculated Clean will provide you with a monthly charge for this potential customer. Now, all you have to do is enter your email address, and Calculated Clean will send you this bid to your email. Calculated Clean, making life so much easier.